Hi guys, so today we are going to be creating this animation you see here on the card. So I would like to add that this is where I got the inspiration from this from Figma. I got the inspiration from here. So you notice that on hovering the cards are able to change their position. So this is what we are going to be creating right ahead. To begin, we are going to be needing a set of cards. I got this one from a Figma community and then I made my adjustments. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be needing a link to where I got this from and I'll be sending it to you. So when you've gotten your cards, the next thing is to create a rectangle. So this rectangle is going to be a group of rectangles. One will be smaller than the other. I'm going to create these rectangles and give them these adjustments, remove the strokes, remove the fill, sorry, add a stroke and then give them the adjustments that looks like just like this. When I'm done with that, I group them. And the next thing I'm going to be doing is to select one of the cards. Just select the card of your choice. Select it with the group and make them a frame. So frame selection. When I'm done with that, you're going to adjust the position so that it will give, so that the background, the group is going to give it a dimension. When you have done that, duplicate. Now I've duplicated the card to one of those my frames. I'm going to adjust the rotation. For the card, I'm going to give it a rotation of 3.4 and the group, I'm going to give it a rotation of minus 8.75. This is exactly what I did for mine. You can feel free to adjust it based on what you want. Now that we've done that, the next thing we're going to be doing is to select both frames. The one I've rotated and the first one. Select both of them. And the next thing I'm going to do is to create component sets. When I've done that, I'm going to be switching to prototype. For the prototype, I'm going to select the first card and connect it to the second card by hovering. Now take note that this is a mobile app and in real life you don't hover on a mobile. What this works best for is for a web. So for your mobile you can decide to give it a selection of on click. But this one we're going to make it while hovering smart animate 300. So while hovering it switches to the rotation type and that is smart animate of 300. And then we are going to also connect the second card to the first one by saying mouse leave. So once the mouse leaves the card, now that we are done with that, copy the first card in your component and place it in a frame. Now play your prototype. You notice that every time your mouse hovers around this card, it's going to rotate, and once the mouse leaves, it is going to go back to normal. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Please like, comment, engage this post. Thank you so much. Bye.